Hey guys, hello crocheters and viewers. We are crocheting a baby gown today, and I'm also going to tell you how to crochet different sizes from 0 to 1. To begin, create a slip knot and chain 7. Chain if you want your band bigger or for a different size. Skip one chain and half double crochet into the remaining 6 chains. Half double crochet, you insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops. Chain for 2, chain 1, turn your work and half double crochet into the 6th chain. 6 chain. Do this for 41 rows, 0 to 3 months. 3 to 6 months, 44 rows. 6 to 1 year, 50 rows. I'll meet you when we are done with the band. This is the band. We are going to single crochet the band together. Insert your hook into the first stitch on both sides. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Do the same for the remaining 5 stitches. To start the flow of the gown, chain 1 and single crochet into every first stitch of each row. Remember that is going to be the first stitch, but it's a little bit tight because of the single crochet we did there. So single crochet into every first stitch of each row, and you're going to have a total of the amount of rows you did. So if you did 41 rows, you should have 41 single crochet. If you did 44 rows, you should have 44 single crochet. If you did 50 rows, you should have 50 single crochet. When you're done, slip stitch into the chain 1. Two into the first stitch, do a double crochet and insert your stitch marker to mark it. Into the second stitch, double crochet twice, chain 2 and double crochet twice into that same stitch. Into the next stitch, 1 double crochet, and into the next, double crochet twice, chain 2, double crochet twice. So you keep changing this. The next will be 1 double crochet, the other one will be double crochet twice, chain 2, double crochet twice. Do this till the end of the row, and I'll meet you and I'll start row 2. At the end of row 1, where your stitch marker is, that's just the last stitch of row 1. At the end of row 1, where your stitch marker is, remove it and do a double crochet. And that is the beginning of your row 2. Insert the stitch marker to know that is the beginning of row 2. Into the chain 2 space, you repeat the process, double crochet twice, chain 2, double crochet twice. And that is where our double crochet is. You double crochet and into the chain 2 space, the same process. Flay is going to be for as long as we want the flay to be and the height of the baby girl you're making it for. And this is the last row I'll be making. One double crochet. Remember, you're going to end it with a one double crochet and you begin with a one double crochet, and that is the last stage. And this, since this is the last row, all you have to do is a single crochet, slip stitch, slip stitch, and chain 1, drag it and cut off your yarn. Now this is the flow of the gown. I'm going to start the top. To count the top, I counted 8 stitches from both sides. Insert your hook into the first side, chain 1 and single crochet into that same stitch. Insert your hook, single crochet into the 16 chains we left. For row 2, chain 2, turn your work and double crochet into the 16th stitch. Double crochet into the 16th stitch for 7 rows. 7 rows, 0 to 3 months. 10 rows, 3 to 6 months. And 14 rows if you're doing 6 to 1 year. So on the 8th row, into 5 stitch, you do a double crochet. You're going to do this from row 8 to row 16, where you're just going to double crochet into just 5 stitch. Do the same for the other side. Guys, this is it. This is as simple as this. This is all you need to know for this baby gown. So you sew it to the band of the gown, or you can put a button. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me that thumbs up. Bye.